Welcome back to Suzie Anderson Home. Today we're sharing our tips for decorating chalet-style interiors. Chalets were traditionally located in the French, Bavarian, Tyrol and Swiss Alps. However, due to their rising popularity, they are now seen in multiple areas with notable locations including Aspen, Colorado and Japan. Balancing elegance with rusticity and coziness, these wood-framed houses are designed for rural areas and are recognised for their sloping roofs, prevalent use of natural materials, organic designs, expansive views, and their close affinity with nature. The chalet-style colour palette relies on a soothing mix of earthy neutrals such as off-white, beige, ochre, taupe, tan and grey. This is seen in the choice of paintwork as well as the use of unfinished woods, stone and rattan. Calming blues, forest greens and muted reds are present in soft furnishings and decor, with pops of black and bronze for depth and contrast. Architecturally, chalet-style homes blend in with their idyllic surroundings, utilising natural materials of stone or cement as the foundation and a build of unfinished wood, millwork or cobblestone. Contemporary structures also feature an abundance of glass and metal accents. Homes present either an A-frame structure or square profile, gable roofs and wide overhanging eaves, designed to allow the heavy snow to easily slide off the roof whilst providing insulation. The generous balconies feature carved wooden railings, unstained wood decking and large picture windows. Homes are typically 1 or 2 stories tall, with the upper floor projecting over to the lower level, and may feature high vaulted ceilings, wooden beams, carvings, mouldings and decorative brackets. Notable characteristics include an open plan layout, a great room, tall reaching windows and a statement fireplace, often crafted from timber, marble, stone or tile. Mirroring the organic and unaltered materials used in construction, wooden floorboards are raw or repurposed and sometimes featuring a light or cool grey wash. Slate tiles or tumbled stone flooring offers a more rustic feel. whilst neutral wall-to-wall carpet can be installed in bedrooms to provide a warm, cosy and cocooning feel. For texture and softness underfoot, rug choices include large wool pulp rugs, animal hides or tactile weaves of sisal and jute. For added pattern, colour and plushness, consider layering your area rugs with vintage Navajo or Moroccan rugs or a sheepskin by the bed. As mentioned in our last video, for a balanced and inviting look, lighting should be approached in a layered manner. Ambient lights include industrial-style fixtures, classic glass and iron pendant lanterns, rustic elk chandeliers and downlights on a dimmer. Accent lights include wrought iron, aged bronze or brass sconces, wall lamps with natural linen shades and LED strip lighting. Task lighting can be used to zone smaller nooks within the open plan space, such as a reading corner, fireside seating, office area or understand nook, with floor and table lamps featuring bases crafted from ceramic, concrete, brass, timber or iron. Whilst the infiltration of natural light is prioritised in chalet-style homes, window treatments are important for insulation and texture, especially in bedrooms and living areas. Popular choices include horizontally drawn wool or flax linen curtains and Roman blinds. Opt for earthy neutrals or muted patterns of stripes, checks and plaid. We recommend placing curtain rods as high as possible to draw the eye up and complement the lofty ceilings and woodwork. Furniture choices feature a harmonious blend of traditional, custom-made and contemporary pieces. Living room furniture includes low-sitting plush modular sofas, leather armchairs, upholstered studded ottomans, oversized wooden or nested coffee tables, and log stump stools as side tables. With a large focus on communal living, seating options are abundant and include mohair daybeds, slip-covered linen or boucle swivel chairs, rattan, upholstered linen, faux fur or leather occasional chairs. Dining and kitchen spaces feature a large wooden kitchen island designed for prep work and casual dining, with bar stools made from sleek metal, wood, studded leather or linen upholstery. Wooden dining tables are long and rectangular, may feature a grey wash and are framed by freestanding bench seating, leather-backed or slip-covered dining chairs. Built-in bench and banquet seating can be seen in breakfast nooks, mudrooms and living spaces. Beds are contemporary, low-sitting and feature simple frames. As you can see by now, wood is the most celebrated material in chalet-style homes, utilised in the external architecture, interior construction, flooring and furniture. Oak, larch, beech and pine are popular choices. Rough stone and wrought iron metals are great layering materials for construction, whilst leather, rattan and linen are perfect for upholstery and soft furnishings. The neutral colourway creates a serene foundation for richer materials, colours and patterns. Faux fur, sheepskins, mohair, felt and wools in throws and cushions add visual interest. Use these to add contrast, depth and dimension by selecting colours of deep navy, grey, brown, charcoal or green hues. Lastly, plaids, stripes and checks and Navajo geometric patterns will add personality and contrast. Artwork should be large in scale and used to tell a story, offering a nod to the surrounding landscape, wildlife or culture. Ideas include framed vintage ski posters, acrylic canvas art of wildlife, landscapes or alpine sports, as well as Slim Aaron's alpine photography or a large rustic wall-mounted clock. For a modern touch, large abstract paintings or geometric prints in black and white designs can add surprise and contrast to the rustic backdrop. Decor is kept to a minimum and items draw inspiration from nature. Decor is selected for its form and material, with a preference for organic, irregular and round shapes aiding in the feeling of relaxation. For your own unique interior, bespoke pieces can be sourced from local makers and artists or collected from the outdoors. Items include wooden sculptures, objects made from bone or horn, handmade earthenware, decorative bowls filled with acorns, unique forged hardware, antler candle holders and vintage skis. Decorative boxes and stacked books offer height and structure to consoles, bookshelves and coffee tables. Elevate your fireside with a beautiful set of fireside tools such as the Eldvarm range, or a simple woven rattan log basket and wrought iron fire poker. Lastly, incorporate elements of lustre with mouth-blown glass or glazed ceramic vases, hurricane lanterns and candles. Complete the look with generous displays of lichen-covered branches, acorns and clippings of foliage such as fir and pine. Lastly, seasonal floral arrangements should be unstructured and displayed by the bedside, on the dining table, bathroom vanity or living room for a pop of colour and softness. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you feel inspired to incorporate some of these chalet-style design tips in your own home. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and let us know in the comments below which tip was your favourite and what other styles you would love to see. And remember, when designing a home you love, the beauty is in the detail.